Welcome to the third video in this tutorial series. How to start your family history. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and click the notification button to see more videos like this. Also, let us know in the comments what tutorials and how-to videos you would like to see created in the near future. So let's get started. Lesson 2. Visualize the information. To obtain a better understanding of the information gathered together in Step 1, we need to visualize it. To do this, we add the basic information to a genealogy pedigree chart. If you do not have one handy, you may download them from our website www.worexgenealogyservices.com.au/free-genealogy-forms-and-charts. In the zip file you download, you will not only find a 3 and 5 generation pedigree chart, but many more forms and charts that will assist you in your documentation process. Once you have yourself a pedigree chart, place yourself in the very first box with any relevant vital information. For example, you would enter your birth and marriage dates. If you have one, add your spouse or partner. If there are multiple spouses or partners and you wish to include them in your family tree, simply use another pedigree chart for each one and add the name and chart number to the extra comments information box. Next, add your parents. The only change here would be if either of them has passed on. If unfortunately this is the case, you would include the date of death. Just fill in what you know. If you don't know something or can't be 100% sure it is accurate, leave it blank. And then of course, you would do the same for your grandparents. Now that you have the pedigree chart filled out, you can visualize the information you gathered together in Step 1. This allows you to see what information you know and what information you do not. In the next video, we will learn how to determine where to start our family history research, and that is when the fun stuff really begins. See you then.